Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Timeless novel review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called Timeless Novel. So this is the Timeless Novel review, and right now we are on the sales page where it says get access to 1000 timeless and popular novels included with unrestricted PLR, 100% copyright free access to 1000 timeless famous novel in digital format. So this is what you can get. This is a very quite straightforward offer. These are the novels you will have access to. You can digitally download them, or if you want you can change their name and sell them online, or you can also maybe take the printout and do a hard copy and sell it as per maybe your brand. Okay, so it's 100% copyright free, as you can see, and it comes with PLR rights, which means PLR means you can change the name and just you can have any title of the PLR and you can sell it for sell it as per your name. Okay, so if you want to come to the sales page, you can click on the first link below my YouTube video, or maybe not the first but somewhere here. It will be saying grab timeless novel copy. Here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can check everything. And yes, so this is a product from good vendors Nelson Long, so I will show you in a moment. But these are those themes or categories, in which you can get these novels: adventure, haunted, wildfire, Vikings of the Gloves, and yeah, so I guess this is a very unique thing. I have never seen such an offer before, because I have seen PLR offers. In PLR, you can sell that product as your own, but not novel. So novel for me normally is a thick book. I remember my childhood when I used to maybe read some thriller novels, the paper book. Okay, I'm talking about like 25 years ago, maybe not 25 but 20 years ago at least. Yeah, so back then I used to have some books which I used to read, but online I have never tried reading novels online. Okay, so this is something which I saw after a very very long time. Novel, I was forgotten about the novels in my mind, to be very edge. And yeah, so I never had time to read novel. I never had time even to think about that. Okay, I should sometime read some novel or a story. So that's something reminded me for my school days. Anyways, so that's why it's a very unique offer. And if you are into that make money online niche, I don't know how will you make money with this, but again, if you want to read these novels by yourself, you will have to pay $22, I guess, $23 to 22.70. And if you want to sell this is a good opportunity, just in case you have your traffic already. So if you have your email list, okay, for example, you have your email list, you can buy these novels and you can rebrand them and you can email this to your email list, or you can give them away for free. So let's say you give them one novel for free, and if they like it, the next novel from you could be paid. Okay, and you will be getting 1000 of them. Okay, so 1000 novels. So if you just go and email one novel for free to every person in your email list, after that, once they get the taste, all those people who will like to read from you, they will pay for your novels, for your content from next time onwards. Okay, so how do you the marketing? I don't have to teach you, because you will have to deal with your strategies. How will you make money with it? But yes, it's a simple, quite clear offer. They have 30-day money back guarantee. What you can do with this, you can read here. What you cannot do, you can also read here. Okay, and then we have some questions here. So what file format will I receive? It is PDF, Word file, and PDF. So in Word you can always edit, and PDF, you can also edit PDF. You only have to convert PDF to Word. Okay, you can do that online for free. Is the novel fully customizable? Yes, you can use any brand you want. How many novels are there in the library? So let's check. Total 1000. Return and refund policy. So they have, I guess, 30-day. Just if you're buying buy only if you want this, otherwise don't buy. So as per me, whether you buy something from me or you buy something of my own product, do not buy if you think about refunds. Buy only if you need it, otherwise why are you bothering yourself? Why are you bothering the vendors? Why are you bothering me? Okay, only buy if you need it. In my definition, there's no refund. Clear your head first. Okay, so if you want it, get it, otherwise don't get it. After your order is processed, you will be receiving emails with the login details. So where can I get help? You can get help here. Okay, again, you will see the link below, which you can use to come on the sales page, and then you can buy if you want to. And then we have some upgrades. So let's come back here, and these are the upgrades. Timeless novel, this is the front end, I guess, which will be for $23. And then timeless novel upgrade 1, it's $47. Now I don't have much details what you will be getting inside these upgrades, but all these upgrades like audio blowout, code blowout, so these are not relevant to this timeless novel. Only the first upgrade is relevant to timeless novel. I guess in this you might be getting more novels, I don't know. Okay, and then you have audio blowout, code blowout, in which you will be receiving some codes obviously, and then you will be receiving some recipes here. Okay, so you can buy the front end. After that you will be taken to the relevant sales pages of these OTOs or upgrades, and then you can decide which ones you want to pick and choose there. Okay, all right, cool. So we are done with this timeless novel, and again, I don't have to repeat myself. It's simple offer, 1,000 novels which you will be getting, and you can do anything with them you want to. You can print out them, you can sell the hard copy, you can sell the digital copy, or just read it and spend your own time on this. Okay, now this is only going to help people who are already making money. They can sell this novel to somebody, they want to, or this will help people to just pass their time. But if you are from the category that you want to make some money, but you are newbie, you have nobody to sell to, and you don't know what you will do with these novels, then as a newbie, if you are here only to make money online, I will stop you from buying this, because these are novels only. If your purpose is only to make money, unfortunately they will not help you. So let's talk about those category of people who are here to make money online. Okay, I am here to make money online. Okay, other people who are doing the review, they are also here to make money online. We are on YouTube, we make money. You are not on YouTube, so that's why you're not making money. Again, if you are here to buy this, click on the link below and go and buy this. Now I'm going to talk to those people who are here to make money online only. Okay, so if you're here to make money online, then you watch videos from other YouTubers. They give you bonuses and reviews and everything. Okay, I also do reviews. If you buy from me, I make money, you don't. What I'm trying to say here is that you have to go and do these reviews, come on YouTube, and when other people will watch your videos, or they will buy something from you, then only you will make money. Okay, so I can help you to make money online if you want to follow what I do, because I make money using these two links here you see. So first link says make money on autopilot with this forex trading. Forex trading is this, like currency trading, where you buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, stuff like that. However, we do all this with the help of a software. So I know that not everybody is going to be an expert in this field, and you don't have to, because we will be using a software. We will install a software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trade on our behalf automatically. Okay, second method is this Traffic Jarvis, in which you will be learning how to do exactly what I'm doing on YouTube, right? So again, timeless novel, go and buy it if you want to. But if you want to make money online, no problem, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I will explain now how you can make money online using these two methods. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.